Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today we are going to be playing with one of the new palettes from Makeup by Lisa. This is the Macaron Eyeshadow palette, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. On the back you've got the ingredients. It is vegan and cruelty free. All of Makeup by Lisa's products are. And this is the colour story. How cute is that? And when you look at the front, these are kind of the colours that you're expecting to see. I do love that. And yeah, I managed to use all 9 shades, as you will see. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm first going to be going in with Fizzing, this shade here. And I'm going to be placing that on the inner part of my crease. I've primed my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. Do love this colour. So yeah, these 9-pan eyeshadow palettes from Makeup by Lisa, the formula is just amazing. It's such a beautiful blue. Look at that. So today I'm going for like a blue, pink and purple look. Well, you would have seen it in the intro. So I don't know why I'm telling you that. Yeah, so far with Makeup by Lisa's 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, I have been so impressed. This one doesn't have any glitters in, so there's no pressed glitters in this one. For any of you that want to try Makeup by Lisa but didn't want the pressed glitters. Also, I don't believe the 2 neutral palettes don't have pressed glitters in either. I do also have the Secret Garden palette, so there will be a video coming up very soon on that one. I did and ah about doing like a 2 looks with the 2 palettes like I did with the other 2, but I don't know, I just wanted to give these their time to shine. Beautiful. And then for the outer part of my crease, I'm going into Dolly Mix, the deep purple. There's a little bit of kick up in the pan, but not much at all. I'm just placing it on first. I'll do all the blending after. I'm going to try and blend them a little bit together. This is going on beautifully. Building it up a bit more. Obviously this is only first impressions, but you can tell with the first impression if it's patchy or not, and that is not patchy at all. So I'm just going to kind of dab along the line there. I don't want to overblend them. I do want them to kind of, there we go, kind of mesh together. I just want to bring it kind of down a bit so that it can connect under. I'm just fluffing the edge out a little bit just to make it easier to blend out. Just going back in with Fizzing, the blue, just to help with that blending back in. And again, just making sure I've got the edges feathered out. And I've just been kind of flitting between the 2 brushes for the blue and the purple, just to give them a bit better of a mix. So to blend out fizzing, the blue, I'm going in with icing, which is the pale blue. And just gently taking that over the edge there. So a nice pastel blue. And that is blending it out beautifully. Right, I think for the purple I'm going to go in with Bonbon. I'm going to try and blend it out with the pink and see how that goes. Oh yeah, this is going to be perfect. And do apologise if you can tell that I've got the shakes. I kind of woke up with them this morning and they're not seeming to be going no matter what I do. Oh, this pink is gorgeous. And then just blend across the middle bit there. And then I'm going to dip into Candy just to kind of bridge that gap, kind of just blend those in together a bit more seamlessly. These shadows are layering beautifully on top of each other. These pastels are really good. So I chose to use this palette first, partly because I've done a lot of green looks lately and the other palette is quite green, but also this one doesn't have the pressed glitters. So I figured I would film with this one today, just for those of you who are interested but don't like glitters. This is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to go back in with Dolly Mix a bit, the deeper purple, just to bring the intensity back a little bit. Right, I'm going to take a little smudgy brush and go into Dolly Mix just to connect the upper and lower lid together. This is such a beautiful colour. And then just dipping into Candy a little bit. And then into Bonbon, just to blend that out a bit more. So for my lid, I'm going to first go in with Fruit Salad, and I'm going to spray my brush and then put Fruit Salad kind of on the outside but angled inwards, so a bit of a diagonal. Oh, this is pretty. So I'm trying to use as many of these shades as I can just to show you what they look like, and just because I like to play. And this palette is a beautiful, colourful palette. Yeah, Lisa's really killing it with these new 9 pans. Really killing it. Right. So for the inner part of my lid, I'm going to go into Sherbet. And again, I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to place sherbet on the inner part where it was left open. This is another absolutely stunning shade. And then I'm just going back in with the fruit salad a little bit just to assist with the blend a little bit. Back in a little bit with sherbet. I just want to use a bit of this Chewits under my eye. So let's take a little bit of that and give it a spray. Oh, it's pretty. So I only have cream left to use, so I'm going to use that for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. So again, just spraying the brush. It helps if you actually aim it at the brush. And ooh, okay, this is nice. This is really nice. And then a bit up under the brow there. Oh, when I say a bit, I apparently mean a lot. Okay. So I'm going to dip into Bonbon just a little bit, just to kind of blend that in. I don't want the harsh line there. Okay, so I am loving how this is looking so far. So I'm going to nip off and finish my face, and then I'll come back to show you the finished look. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below. I'll just let you know what else I've popped on my face. So the mascara is the Madaj Beauty Madeja Lash Mascara. In my waterline, I have the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayon in Cool Mood. The wing I have on is the Cake It liner in the shade Purify from Artitude Cosmetics, like a pearly colour. The lashes are from Makeup by Lisa in the style Raven. The blush is from Poutnshout and it is the shade Pink Me Up. Just a really nice pink blush. The highlighter is from Makeup by Lisa in the shade Pink Sunshine. I won't open it because mine's smashed and it'll go everywhere. And finally, the lipstick is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Havana. I've been dying to try that out. I've had it sat in my box of shame for ages, and I thought this was the perfect look for it. So yes, first impressions of the Macaron Eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Lisa. I used every single shade. Every single shade, and they all performed beautifully. It's really nice. The shimmers are your classic shimmers, but they look beautiful. The purple wasn't patchy at all. I had no patchiness with any of the mattes. Just all of it applied beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is such a fun colour story. Such a fun colour story. And on the front you've got all the beautiful little macarons. How cute is that? So yes, first impressions, another big thumbs up. Lisa is smashing it, absolutely smashing it. So this is the third out of the 9 pan palettes that I have tried, and I have loved every single one so far. So amazing, absolutely amazing. Yeah, I do have a discount code with Makeup by Lisa. It will be in the description box below. I do at the bottom of the description box always have all of my discount codes listed there. They're all not affiliated, they're just discount codes for you. So yeah, I think that's about it from me. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you are new around here, then I hope you'll consider sticking around. I love all things makeup, but especially colourful makeup, and I am a huge fan and supporter of indie brands. So if that sounds like something that you can vibe with, then please do hit that subscription button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. So all that's left to say is thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.